Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the butt and hips enlargement syrup. This is a highly requested video and I hope you're patient enough to watch till the end. So before going ahead to show you how to make this syrup, I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that has been supporting my channel in one way or the other. Those that have been subscribing, those that have been liking my videos, those that have been sharing, those that have been buying from me, those contacting me on WhatsApp, those giving me their ideas. You know, I want to say thank you to all of you. That I appreciate it a lot. So if you're new to my channel and if this is your first time, I want to tell you that you're welcome, and please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified on when I upload more interesting videos. So let's get started. I'm going to start by introducing the powders that we're going to use to you. I'm going to introduce the ingredients to you one after the other like I always do. So in no particular order, the first ingredient on our list is the soy powder. This is soy powder, also known as soya bean powder. Soya bean powder is very rich in protein, and it helps to add fat to the right places in our body, to your thighs, to your hips, to your butt, you know, those places that you want fat, those places that make you look feminine, those places that make you have that womanly figure. Soy powder helps you to add fat to those places in your body. It is a very important ingredient for making this syrup. And the second ingredient on our list is called Pueraria Mirifica. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this the right way, but I'm going to write out all these ingredients on the description box below. But it is called Pueraria Mirifica. It is very important when you're making your body enhancement or enlargement product. It helps to add fat to your bust, to your breast. It also helps to add fat to your hips, to your thighs, to your body. It is very rich in estrogen, and it is also an important ingredient for making this enhancement syrup. Then we have, the next thing we have here is flaxseed. A lot of you might not be familiar with flaxseed, but flaxseed is very important in this our recipe, because flaxseed helps you to burn excess fat around your waistline. It helps to shed fat from your back, from your stomach, and all that. Flaxseed is also rich in omega-3. It is very rich in omega-3 fatty acid, and we need that. We need omega-3 fatty acid when making any butt enhancement product. And the next ingredient we have here is fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is rich in estrogen. A lot of you are familiar with fenugreek, so a lot of you know what it does. It helps to balance the estrogen in our body, and also helps to add fat and curves to the right places in our body. This is how it looks like, fenugreek powder. And then we have quai powder. This is quai powder. I don't have a lot of it. I have just very little of it. Quai powder helps other ingredients to absorb properly into our body. It's like it aids the other ingredients to work properly. It balances your hormones wherever you're lacking something. It helps to balance it, and it also contains estrogen. So this is quai powder. So the next ingredient we have on our list is white yam. This is white yam powder. White yam powder helps to add fat to your thighs. It helps to make your thighs bigger. It helps to add fat to your butt. It helps to add fat to your hips. It is also rich in estrogen. And the next ingredient that we have here is Maca. You know, no body enhancement product is complete without Maca. Maca is very important, and it is like the most popular herb that is used for body enhancement. So we need it for our body enhancement product. We need it for making this syrup. Then we have another ingredient. This is called black pepper. Black pepper is used by bodybuilders. A lot of bodybuilders use black pepper because it is rich in protein. Black pepper helps to get rid of fat on the body. It helps to get rid of excess fat, while also helping other ingredients to work properly in your body. So we need another ingredient. This is coriander powder, also known as cilantro. Coriander powder is rich in magnesium, it is rich in protein, it is rich in iron, and these are the things that your body needs when you want to grow fat in your butt. You need magnesium to grow fat in your butt. So for instance, when you buy some already made body enhancement products, you find out that one of the ingredients that is listed on the body of this product is magnesium. So we need magnesium for our body enhancement products. We need it to make our syrup, and this cilantro coriander is also a rich source of magnesium. So the next other ingredient that we need here is the fish oil and cod liver oil. Cod liver oil and fish oil can be gotten from a pharmacy. This is the one that you take. This is an intake cod liver oil and fish oil. You can go to any pharmacy of your choice. You can tell them to give you cod liver oil and fish oil, or you can use this instead. This is cod liver oil. Depending on which of them you can afford, you can use any of these, but I prefer to use this. It contains omega-3 fatty acid, and that's important for making our body enhancement syrup. And the last ingredient that we need is honey. This is like the major ingredient for making our syrup. This is pure honey, it is not mixed. You need pure honey that has not been mixed to make this product, to make this syrup. So before showing you how to do this thing, I want to tell you that you have to be patient when you're using your body enhancement product, whether syrup, whether powder, whether oil, whatever you're using. You have to be patient. Don't just go and use it for a day or two and start complaining that it's not working. And most importantly, you have to know where you're buying your herbs from, where you're buying your powders and your oils from. Some of these powders and oils are mixed, and when you buy something that is mixed, it will not work, and then you start complaining and saying it's not working. It's not like that. You have to be careful where you buy your product from. Be careful where you buy your powders from. Be careful where you buy your ingredients from. Make sure that they are from the right source. And these ingredients, they are not cheap, okay? Don't allow somebody to sell, for instance, don't allow somebody to sell Pueraria Mirifica for you for 2,000 naira for 100 grams. Be rest assured that that thing you're buying is not Pueraria Mirifica. That's something else, okay? These powders, they are not cheap and they are not easy to get. So buy original powders when making your products and you will see good results. So let's get started. Let's go straight to the video, guys. Okay, so these are all our herbs and our powders and our ingredients that we need to make our butt enhancement syrup. So once again, this is Maca, this is quai, this is Fenugreek, this is soy powder, this is black pepper, this is white yam, this is flaxseed, this is coriander, also known as cilantro, this is Pueraria Mirifica, this is cod liver oil and fish oil, also known as omega-3, and this is honey. So I'm just going to be taking 1 teaspoonful of each powder to make this body enhancement syrup, this butt enhancement syrup. Fenugreek. I don't have a lot of quai. This is quai. I don't have a lot of it, so I'm just going to be putting it all. And this is soy powder. This is Pueraria Mirifica. Cilantro, coriander, flaxseed, Maca powder, black pepper, white yam. So you take it, mix it all together. So you mix properly, make sure you mix everything, make sure that it's properly mixed together. And the next thing you're going to add is your honey. You're going to add just enough. to be able to absorb the powders. You mix. We're going to add more honey to this mixture. So I've added honey and I'm mixing it properly to my taste. If you want it to be a little bit lighter than this, you can add more honey. My syrup is thick. I like it thick. This is exactly how I like it. But if you don't want it, if you don't want yours to be this thick, you have to use a little powder and more honey. So we are going to be adding 4 teaspoons of our cod liver oil and fish oil. You mix it all together, mix it properly. So the last thing you have to do is to turn it into a container. Your butt enhancement syrup is now ready for use. This is it. This is what it looks like. This is my method. I don't know what method you are using, but this is my method. This is how I know how to do it, and it's very, very effective. It works very well. So this is it, guys. Our butt and hip enlargement syrup is now ready for use. You can use it 3 times a day, 1 tablespoonful in the morning, afternoon and evening, and make sure you're eating properly when using this. If you get any side effect, you have to stop immediately. It is very, very effective. You can start seeing results in as little as 1 week, but always remember that we all have different body types. It might not work for you like that, but it might work for someone else like that. So at least before a month or 2 months, you will see significant changes, you'll see results. And also, if you are interested in buying from me, I'm selling it. As you can see, I do not manage my ingredients at all. I give you value for your money. It works, it is tested and trusted. You can contact me on WhatsApp, and you can also follow my Instagram page. You can send me a message on Instagram, whichever way that is easier for you. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload more videos. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you about the best herbs, the best powders, the best oils for making your body enhancement products. So stay tuned to my channel, stay glued to my channel, and see you next time, guys. Bye.